2017. 2017. Question 2. Okay. Now, like I said, if you're familiar with your method of finding arrow, that's very fine. But this is a little bit tricky because they're squared here. Like I said, so they need the coefficient of x, and they told us is 5. So what is beside x when I expand equal to 5? So I'll write this as we normally do, ax, then 2ax squared. Now remember, this number and this number has to give me 5. Like I said, we already have the combinations. It can be 2, 3. So it can be 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, 1, 4. I think those are the combinations we can have, right? 1, 2, 3. Then yeah. So before we try all four of them, we're done with this problem. So remember, so let's say we try this one. After I put some numbers here, I have to cancel to get x. I can easily see it from the numbers, but let's do it. So let's say I put 2 and 3 here. This will be 6. For the x, this will be 6, and this will be 2. 6 divide 2. 6 minus 2, that's 4. That will not work. So you can easily do mental math. Let's say I put 3 here, 2 here, 3 here, 2 here, 3 here. See, I'm done. So I don't even need to go and use NCR. It's fine if you know that method. So I put 2 here and I put 3 here. That is my, so this will be 5C2. So 5C2 is 10 times, I expand that, so that will be 1 by a cube x cube times 4a squared x4. So this we cancel x. So I only need the coefficient of x. So this will be 40 a squared over a cube. They told me is equals to 5. So coefficient means what is beside x. So this will be 40 a minus 1 equals to 5. So I can do so. This is something as 40 over a equals to 5. So a is 40 over 5, which is 8. So you just cross multiply. So my a is 8. I believe I took less than 4 minutes, right? So this is how we do questions like this. So you can easily know. So just find the combinations. When you do it with time, you practice, and you can easily do mental maths to know. Because if I put maybe 1 and 4, let's say I put 1 and 4 here. So this would be 8, not possible. 4 times 2, 8, divide x, not possible. So this is one way we can easily do questions like this. So that's the answer to that. That's the answer to that. I think this one is a little bit tricky because we have, let me see, just doing some single one, we'll come to some tricky ones. Now I think this is a perfect one. This is a perfect one. Now the coefficient of 1 by x in the expansion of this. So we need 1 by x, or x to the power of minus 1. So we still have 2x, then bracket, a by x. This is a. My a looks like a 9. Okay, a, then x squared. I need 1 by x. So we already know 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 4, 1. This is easy. So I need 1 by x. I need 1 by x. So if I put 2 here, put 3 here, no. Because this should be x squared up, x6 down, no. If I put 3 here, put 2 here, makes sense. So 3 has to be here, 2 has to be there. Is it making sense now? So we have x cubed divided by x, so that will give me 1x, 1 over x. So here will be just be 5c 2. So 5c2 is 10 times 8x cubed times a squared over x4. You can see I have 1 over x. So they told me the coefficient, so that will be 80 a squared. They told me 720. So a squared will be 720 over 8t. So a, we need the possible value. So I think that's 9. So square root of 9, which is plus or minus 3. Which is plus or minus 3. So that should be our answer. So possible values. So there are 2 values. So now the coefficient of 1 by x to the power of 7. So imagine you want to use find arrow here, you find arrow here. What would you do? So there is always an easier way of doing this. So again, we need to find 1 by x to the power of 7. So we'll write this x, 2x. Then a, we already know a. So a over x squared. So I need 7, right? Obviously, you can easily see it. So it's going to be within 1 and 4, 4 and 1. So if I put 4 here, I put 1 here, what happens? I've got the answer, right? So that will give me x divided by x to the power of 8, so 1 by 7. So here will be 5c4. Make sense? So we already know a is plus or minus 3, so it doesn't matter. We can use any of them, because even if I put minus here, I will still get positive 81. If I put plus here, I will get positive 81, so it doesn't matter. So 5c4 is 5. So this will be 5. That will be 5 times 2x times a is 3, so 3 over x to the power of 8, 3 to the power of 4. So that will be 5 times 2 times 81. So that will be 810. So I believe that